Hi, I'm Julie Walsh, an independent curator from Chicago. My area of expertise is in immersive technologies and contemporary Asian art. I am very excited to be teaching at MiRAA, and one of the reasons that I wanted to co-found MiRAA was I really wanted gallerists and curators and artists and VR enthusiasts to understand that these immersive technologies are here to stay and that they are an art medium in their own right. My courses will cover a variety of topics, including how to get started as a VR/AR artist, where to show your work, how to find venues, portfolio management, and modes of distribution too, and how to make an impact in the art world. In addition, I will be covering specifically areas that have to do with challenges of VR installation, what not to do, things to look for. My team and I really look forward to teaching you. Thanks.